Hello friends, I'm Priyanka and welcome back to my channel English Speaking Journey with me. I hope you are doing well. As you know, I have embarked on my 90 days English speaking learning journey friends, and today my 8th day of English speaking practice friend. So I'm practicing here on every day friends, and today I'm talking about very special and amazing topic. Yes friend, I'm talking about Holi festival. Yes friend, so please watch this video till the end friend. If you watch this video, it's very helpful for you because I'm also share some phrasal words, vocabulary and idioms. Yes friend, so this video really helpful for you friends. So make sure please watch the video till the end. Holi is a festival of colorful and happiness. So people look forward this festival in every year. I know you also look forward to this festival. Yes, on the night before Holi, we light bonfire, and this which is called Holika Dahan. Yes, friend. As you know, I know you know very well, which is called Holika Dahan. So, and this this fire burn away negativity and bring some good energies. In the morning, everyone puts on colors to each other and uh, put some color to each other and join and throw on water, and everyone pupils throw on water balloons, and this is very colorful festival because of, so everyone throw on a water balloon and celebrate this festival. So everyone join in with everyone join in and celebrate this festival with family and friends, very with happiness. Yes friend, and you know, um, Holi is a time of let your hair down and enjoy with family and friends. During Holi, during this festival, families make some delicious sweets and food. So, and this sweet like gujia and gulab jamun, and the aroma of this sweet fill fill house. Yes, and you know, everyone celebrate this in everyone celebrate this festival with each other and support to and everyone full of happiness. Yes, because of its festival really is, it's a very happy and a colorful festival, so everyone enjoy this festival, and especially children. Yes, children enjoy a lot this festival early in the morning, and say in the morning children eat children have some dishes, and after that make a water ball for a Holi celebration. Holi brings people together and makes life colorful, and it's a time to bury the hatchet and spread happiness. Yes, friend. So, friends, enjoy the Holi and play with colors. Have fun. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel, friends. See you in the next video. Happy Holi, my friends.